This video I'm going to tell you how you can post on LinkedIn. Whatever type of post you want to post, how you can do that. So for that you need to open your LinkedIn account, then click on post. You can see at the bottom, and after then whatever you want to write you can write here, or you want to add any video you can just click on this video icon. And if you want to add any photo you can click on this photo icon and allow. It will show you every photo you have available in your gallery, and you can select from there, or you can just create an art form type image and post for your LinkedIn. Okay, and then you have some options here. You can see here, you can use templates, you can do a event. Okay, for example, and then you have celebrate and job, poll, document or service. You can also post these all the things on the LinkedIn. Okay,